Who remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be? In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! You people don't eat that! It totally stinks!
So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back?
Yay!
Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! Wait, one more thing! Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at House TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Buttercream, buttercream. What is buttercream, Crumb Boss?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here! Feels like we haven't filmed in a year. When we take 1 week off, it's like, where have we been?
Exactly.
We're back.
Where have we been?
I don't even know.
Okay.
But we're back.
We're back.
We're back and we're on a mission, and we are going to answer all the questions that we've been getting, flooded emails. So today's going to be a lot of how-to videos. How to make buttercream.
How about how to be the Crumb Boss?
No. Nobody knows how to be the Crumb Boss but the Crumb Boss.
Exactly.
So, but what we are going to start with today is how to make buttercream. The last video that we did a few months ago, well, a month ago, whenever, we've only been on air for a few months.
We've only been on air for a few months,
right?
yes.
Over 90,000 hits.
90,000 hits, yeah, Gretchen.
So, we did a video about a month ago, how to make buttercream roses, how to form flowers, and so once we did that video, I was flooded with emails on what is the buttercream recipe and how do you get your flowers to stand up like that, and can we have a good recipe, because apparently there's like a lot of crap recipes out there.
But we make
a wonderful Swiss buttercream recipe.
All right.
Which is what you see here.
Is it from Switzerland?
No, well that's why they call it that. It is a Swiss style buttercream preparation versus an Italian style buttercream versus an American style buttercream. So this is a Swiss style buttercream.
Swiss.
And it's very simple to make. That's why I chose this one to share with you.
Okay.
And I just want to mention
yes.
You can have a direct link to Facebook and a direct link to YouTube,
yes,
where you'll see all of our current videos.
Or you could just call the number on the YouTube page and get to have a direct link.
What's it?
973? Okay, go ahead.
What we're going to do today is share with you the Swiss buttercream recipe. And what you see here is the finished product, because last night at my house, I had to go ahead and make a test recipe.
Yep.
And so I needed to break down the recipe
Oh my God.
for a home version.
Okay.
And so I wanted to make sure that it works and it's good.
But not 72-pound recipe.
I think
this
I
is
broke
like
it down to about 1, 2. This is probably about 5 pounds here.
5
which
pounds.
is a wonderful amount to fill a cake, ice a cake, and have enough left over to make buttercream flowers. So it's perfect.
Okay. Yes.
Watch the video that we're going to start right now.
Okay.
And follow along, and you're going to be able to make buttercream like I do in about 5 minutes, and it's wonderful.
All right, let's go.
So first, what we're going to do is start with some fresh egg whites.
Egg whites.
Okay, which is what I have here.
What's this contraption?
This is a double boiler.
Okay.
You've seen it in some other videos before. We need to do a double boiler because to make a Swiss preparation buttercream,
yes,
you need to heat your butter, your eggs, egg whites, and your sugar.
Okay, so you put the eggs in there, egg whites,
and the sugar. And you're going to heat this up to about 100 and maybe 10, 15 degrees.
Okay, is it kind of hot because your hand's in there?
Well, no, it's not hot, and I'm wearing a glove.
Okay.
I always wear a glove. You know, I don't use a lot of tools. I always use my hand.
You only use a stick and a ruler.
Stick and a ruler and a glove.
Okay, a glove. Okay, so we've got So we've gone out and we bought gloves now. Okay,
Yes, right.
good. Yeah.
So
no, you always
basically what I'm doing is, you know, you could use a thermometer if you wanted to go ahead and do it. Like when I first learned at school, they made us use thermometers so that we knew we were getting it to 115 degrees. Basically, I do everything by touch and feel and by the look of it nowadays. So I know when it's there. I know.
So we got egg whites and we got sugar going around.
Okay? And so what's happening is this sugar is melting. I can feel it. There's no more grains. I can feel that it's really starting to melt.
Yes.
The egg whites are getting to be about close to my body temperature, which is 98 degrees. So you know when you're getting a little bit close to 105 degrees.
Okay.
Okay, and so your sugar, I don't feel any more grains of sugar. That's the main thing for this recipe, is that you don't feel any more grains of sugar.
Okay.
Okay, so that's like probably the hardest part of the whole recipe is right there, is just taking your time.
Look at the steam coming out.
It's hot. That's called a steam kettle or a double boiler.
Okay.
And you're going to want to do it that way to do this for your eggs. So
Okay.
I've got my eggs mixture here.
All right.
And then what you're going to need to do, if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer like we use here, you can go ahead and use a handheld mixer.
Okay.
But you want to go ahead and put this into your KitchenAid bowl
All right.
with a whip attachment.
Okay.
Now this is the part that's going to take probably about 3 minutes, and so
It is, okay.
Yeah, and the mixer gets a little loud, so we'll go over on that side.
All right.
Oh, where is it? We'll
So you put it
here.
on. There we go.
Okay. Now,
good.
what we're making right now. Okay, yeah, it's so quick. Once this goes, it's like you're done.
Okay.
So easy, really, it's so easy. That was
So
the
that's
hard part.
so that's the hardest part right there.
Now we're just gonna wait for this. I'm gonna come over here
Okay.
because that does get a little loud.
All right. Where are you going? Oh, there she is.
Yeah, I gotta come over here.
All right, good.
That thing is so
We got
loud.
buttercream going.
Yeah.
We got the mixer going. Mixing the buttercream right now. The sugar and the egg whites.
Yeah, and that is basically what you would also call a meringue. This is a Swiss-style meringue preparation buttercream. Egg whites and sugar, when you whip it on a machine, it gets volume and you make a meringue.
Okay.
Okay? So, what I want to do, you want to make sure, this is confectioner's sugar.
Confectionery sugar.
Yeah. And
Or-
you want to sift that.
Sift it.
Yeah, you
Oh,
don't
the
want any
snow.
lumps. Yeah, the snow.
Okay, snow. Look, it's snowing, everybody.
You don't want any lumps in your,
No, in your buttercream.
yeah. So,
Okay, good.
alright.
And you're mixing it around.
Yeah, just to get it all to come through.
Oh, it looks better. Yeah, not so lumpy. See,
Yeah,
after-
right. Now it's real
The Crumb
soft.
Boss is making snow. Well,
Alright. So now we have that.
okay, there's our big pile of snow. Well, it's confectionery flour, confectionery
Now, look
sugar.
at how fast this is going.
Oh my God, check it out.
See the difference already?
Yeah.
It's getting really white. It's getting a lot of volume.
Yes.
So it's going to really come up and come up and come up.
I don't want to get the camera too close. The camera might fall on the ice cream. Buttercream. What's this over here?
This is the last part of the recipe. This is butter and shortening.
Okay.
And so we are adding shortening to this recipe.
What's shortening?
Shortening is like Crisco, like lard. It's not. It's like margarine.
Okay.
It's not real butter, but it is a hydrogenated product, which a lot of people want to stay away from. But the trick to having your buttercream stand up and
Yes.
make these roses, you're going to need to add Crisco. You're going to have to do it.
Okay.
Because the buttercream is too soft and it's going to fall.
All right, good. You have.
You got it.
Okay, good. So this is good. So now that's going to go off in a second,
Yep.
and then we're going to make it all together, mix it all up. Okay, good.
All right. Now, see how we have a meringue here?
Yes.
See how it's standing up? That's
Oh,
our egg
cool.
whites, okay?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
And I think this is the part where people get the most nervous, is that they don't want to start throwing things in.
Yes, okay.
Here, what we have to do, I tell people, don't be afraid of it. Just go for
No,
it, you know?
exactly.
Just because it's pastry, you think it's got to be gentle, just
Yes.
go. So we're going to add in all the confectioner sugar.
Okay. And it's going around and
Start
around.
mixing like that.
Okay.
All right, and it's getting tighter.
And tighter and tighter.
Yeah, and then that.
And then what do? Just add in the butter?
And then we just add in the butter. And this is the part where I think a lot of people go little by little, and then their whole recipe deflates because they go too slow.
Yes.
I just add this whole thing in at once. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Some
Big blob of
KitchenAid. There you go.
See that? And turn it back on high speed.
Oh, and there it is, everybody.
There you go. You've got buttercream.
And you got buttercream. Look at that. That looks awesome.
See how easy that was?
Uh-huh.
There you
Perfect. What up? Take it. Oh, we should take it out. Let's see what it looks like.
go. Yeah, look.
Oh, that looks nice. And it tastes good, doesn't it?
Okay.
Yeah.
And look at the consistency. See how it holds up? This is how
Yeah.
you're going to get really nice, beautiful roses. Your cake is going to taste amazing because it's just all, you know, it's not like heavily sugared.
Yes.
And it's just really awesome. Watch our video, follow along with us, and then make
Yes.
cake
How to
with
make
Crumb Boss.
exactly. How to make buttercreams.
Swiss style buttercream with the Crumb Boss. Crumb Boss Factory!